Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimula and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimula Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax I will tell you how to model or I will show you how to model a glass. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. So without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Same tool with a line. I use line tool and lathe modifier for modeling the glass. I will adjust these lines, the down lines. I will select this second vertex and go to the line. First go to the line where the parameters, select the vertex, and from here select the vertex. I am moving the cursor and click on then select and move to with select and move tool, select the vertex, and then coming to the parameters geometry, coming to the geometry level. Let me tell you here, this is geometry. As I am moving the cursor, geometry. In geometric, select the fillet. Now you can do manually by clicking on this calculating on this button. You can adjust it by 10 or whatever you want, 100 to make it. You can do it directly also by clicking to the in a viewport. You can see the mark addition and drag it. Now select the top of vertices and same with it, make it as fillet. Now apply lathe modifier. Now go to the parameters of the now go to the parameter of the lathe sub object, drag it to the right side. Select from a default, and you can adjust it like this also. Now go to the edit poly, may apply edit poly modifier, select the down vertices, and scale it downward. Select the top vertex also, and smooth it. Select this vertex, scale it. Now go to the border level. From here select the down, go to the border level and edit poly sub parameters of the edit poly. Select the border with cursor and then select with select and move tool. Select the down border and make it as cap. Apply cap. Now go to the materials, compact materials, and this time select the VRMTL. This time let me check the glass. I will apply this glass. Let me open the materials slot. From here select new materials, open materials, go to document, select from here glass.